The frequency table represents the lengths of a sample of metal rods to the nearest millimeter. Use the data to find A, the mean, the B, the median, and the C, the mode. So we've got the lengths here in millimeters, and here we have the frequencies. So we call the lengths here X and the frequency F, and what we need to work out is X times F, because there's 4 of 23, and the means like add all up the totals and divide by the number of items. So we're going to do 23 times 4, which is 92, 24 times 5, which is 120, 25 times 6, which is 150, 26 times 5, which is 130, 10 times 27 is 270, 6 times 28 is 168, and 4 times 29 is 116. So we add up the frequencies, and there's 40 altogether, and then we add up all these, and we get 1046. So the mean is the sum of all the items divided by the number of items. So it's going to be 1046 divided by 40. So the sigma xf, sigma means sum this, and then sigma f means sum this column. So x bar will be 1046 divided by 40, which is 26.15. That rounded off gives me 26.2 millimeters. Find the median. To find the median, what we need to do is find the middle value. So that we would normally write out 23, 23, 23, 23, 24, 24, 24, and so on. So we'd have to write out all 40 values. However, if we work out the cumulative frequency, first one is 4, the next one will be 4 plus 5, plus 9 plus 6 makes 15, 15 plus 5 makes 20, 20 plus 10 makes 30, 13 plus 6 makes 36, 36 plus 4 makes 40. Now the median is where because there's 40 items, will be where the 20th value is, which is there, and where the 21st value is, which is there. So the 20th value is 26, the 21st value is 27. So the 20th value is 26, the 21st value is 27. So the median will be equal to 26 plus 27 divided by 2, which is 26.5. Now for the mode is the length with the highest frequency. So that's going to be this one here, which is 27, because that has the highest frequency of 10. So the mode will be 27. Now we can do all this on our GDC. So just go into our GDC. So when you turn your GDC on, it looks like this. We want to go to a spreadsheet mode. We want to change the labels up here as X and F. And here you need to put in 23, 24, highlight them, and then do Control, Menu, and press Fill, and then go down to the 7th value, and then press Enter, and then that'll put them in order. Otherwise you just have to type them all in. Make sure you scroll back to the very top, so 23 was the first value, and then put in the frequencies, which is 4, 5, 6, 5, 10, 6, and 4. Okay, so if we scroll up here now, we can actually put the cumulative frequencies in here. So I'm going to put them in here. So what you do, put the cursor here, and then go to Catalog. The Catalog is this one here. Enter it. Sorry, this is this one, and then you've got a load of things in the Catalog here. You want to find the one that says Cumulative Sum. Select it, and then you want it to consider list B. Don't put letter F in, it won't like it. So put letter B in, and then if you press enter, it will work out all the cumulative frequencies which we've just done. It's just an extra little thing. Put the cursor here, and now we're doing Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculation, One Variable Statistics. Just ignore the number of lists, and we need to change these. We need to change this one for the X list to be considered to be X, and the frequency list to be considered to be F. Now we want the results in the first 3 column, which is going to be column D, because we used C for the cumulative frequency column. And we now press OK. and we now get the one variable statistics. So we get the mean here, the sum of all the f(x)'s, and scrolling down here we get the number of items, the sum of the frequency, which is 40, and we get the median, which is 26.5. So these are the screenshots of that process. So the mean is going to be 100 and 1046 divided by 40. That gives me the mean, which is 26.15, but we'll round it off to 26.2 millimeters. And the median we can get from this one here, and that's 26.5 millimeters. So the mean is 26.2 millimeters, and the median is 26.5 millimeters.